Want to wow your friends and family with stunning crochet Christmas decorations? Let me show you 5 super easy, charming crochet patterns that will warm up your home this festive season. Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. If you are new to the channel, I'm Krista. This is the Yarnery, and this channel is all about crochet and crochet inspiration. And if you're a returning friend, thanks for popping over. Today, I have some totally amazing crochet projects that will take your Christmas decorations to the next level. The holiday season is in full swing, so grab your hook, grab a little notepad. All the links will be down below, and let's start making some magic together. Number 1 on my top 5 decoration list is your own Christmas evergreen garland. Isn't that fantastic? This pattern, so simple, it is double crochets. I'll show it to you up a little closer. It's double crochets and just regular yarn. You just work in the row, actually, so from one row to the other, and it totally looks fantastic. Put little cranberries in there. So the whole tutorial is out on my channel. You're gonna love it. This is 6 feet long. It is. And it used 400 grams of yarn, or 4 regular balls of acrylic yarn. So it is a bit of a yarn eater. It is heavy. It's 400 grams plus whatever weight these little berries add. So cute and easy. You gotta see the berries. Are those not adorable? It is so cute. So this is an amazing pattern, super easy, even if you're a beginner. The trick to this one is popping in a stitch marker when you start each time so that you can see how far you've gotten, because it can kind of feel like you're crocheting and not getting anywhere because it's such a long row. It's a very long row. So if you pop in a stitch marker, you'll impress yourself and think, oh my gosh, I got that far already. So pop it in a stitch marker is the trick. And it actually works up super. It's very easy to do. Double crochets, you can totally do it. Oh, and half doubles and slip stitches. Easy sauce. Put this on my mannequin. She's festive. She's joined the party. Number 2, this is a winner. This is so good. This is a Christmas tree, that little wall hanging. So you can just pop it on your front door. It has a little hanging spot at the top. And you can just make this to decorate anywhere. If you don't want to put up a tree, if you're in an apartment, you can just make this, and it works up so quick. You literally just make, it's kind of like making granny squares and then kind of joining them together. Isn't that fantastic? So this is let the bike pass. This is a super easy Christmas tree wall hanging. Really, I cannot express how fun this is to make, because you're like, oh my gosh, I'm making it at such like, wow, I'm making a wall hanging, like you're impressed yourself. And then you expect it to take so long and be so difficult. And then you're like, that's it, I'm done. Yes, you're done. You have a wall hanging. Super fast. You just make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of the red flowers, 1 of the green flowers, and then slam it together with the green yarn. So this is a must. If you haven't made it already, you have to. Are you ready? Are you ready for the next one? We're on a garland roll. Hold on. You probably already saw this in the background over there. This is the popcorn garland. Isn't that spectacular? So good. So this, we make real popcorn. We make real crochet popcorn. I painted the beads, but you can of course get red beads if you live in a country where you can buy red wooden beads. And then you string it together. So it's exactly like making a popcorn garland, except lasts forever, no bugs, no mess, doesn't crumble, birds aren't going to eat it. It will last forever, and I think it just looks so cute. Like, that is just 100% cute. You do need to make quite a bit of popcorn, which is fine. Tutorial's coming out, if it's not out already. Love it. And you can just sit and make popcorn. You don't have to sew in your ends. So the good thing about popcorn, you just knot your tails, cut them off, boom, it's already a popcorn. So pop in a good show, watch a movie with your popcorn, and make a whole bunch of popcorn, and then string it together with your wooden beads. Love it. It's sitting back there. Next, now this we should start soon. If you haven't made one already, it's not too late. But this is adorable, number one. Isn't it so cute? This is the Christmas stocking advent calendar. The pattern, the written pattern, the real written pattern, it comes with 2 sheets. You can print either letter or A4, doesn't matter. And they have numbers. You can just cut them out. They have presents and numbers all the way to 24. They're so cute. And they just fit right inside the stocking. So you would just start at one end and be like, number 1. And then if you don't want to put presents or chocolates or money or gifts in each stocking, you can just pop a little number in. And then when that day is finished, you just go vroop. And then you have the total countdown to Christmas. So you would start with 24 and then 23, 22, 21 that way. So that number 1 would be Christmas Eve. So all of these numbers, printable numbers, come with the pattern. So you don't have to stress about filling them up, because that stresses me out half the time. So this is the Crochet Stocking Advent Calendar. Must make if you still have time. If you don't have time, make it for next year. Or, are you ready for it? Because I know we've all been in that situation where time runs out. I feel like we're all in that situation like today. So, I don't know why it's so tangled up. I also made, other way around, 12 days of Christmas. So you still have time. You have time to get the 12 days of Christmas done. You can still do the countdown, and you just go from 12, and then 1 would be Christmas Eve. So that is the 12 day of Christmas one. Plus, really cute for, well, if you just don't want to do the whole 24 days. If you're busy, this is a solution. This is the busy mom solution, or the busy grandma, or the busy person solution, is the 12 days of Christmas. Another great one, and this is spectacular, Christmas Mandala placemats. So just using your red and white yarn, you can make just circles to go at kind of like plate chargers. Fancy plate chargers. Would be great in metallics. Would be so good in black and white for New Year's Eve. Black, white, and silver. Black, white, and gold. It'd be so cute. For Christmas, red, white, and green. So these are the Christmas mandala pattern. Really, really fun to do. There are some ends to sew in. It looks like I haven't finished those. I thought I did. I thought I grabbed one where I finished them. I guess I didn't. So you can't see it. If you come over to my house for dinner, check underneath if all the ends are sewn in. That's all I'm saying. So that is another really fast and easy crochet project for Christmas. And then bonus pattern, because it's just too much fun. Do you know what it is? Do you got a good guess? Hold on, I wonder. Get ready. I'll get ready, you get ready. Look. Isn't that the sweetest thing? Get my hair out of the way. Look. Isn't that cute? So easy to do. I made a whole bunch. This is the easy one. Double crochets, chenille yarn. Can you see the chenille yarn? And then check out the pom-pom. That is, it feels like it looks. It feels amazing. Like you want that. This is what you want. So this is also something you could crochet. It could also be a gift, but it's also really great for decorations on yourself around your house. So I hope something in there inspired you to get hooking this holiday season. I'm waiting for you in that video up there. Stay hooked.